अब मैं माननीय राष्ट्रपति श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी से निवेदन करती हूं कि आप सभा को संबोधित करें।
Governor of Manipur, Sri Ajay Kumar Balaji, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar, Kurum Jari. I am delighted to visit Manipur and participate in this reception organized by Manipur people. I am deeply touched by the warmth and affection with which I have been welcomed. Manipur is a land of resilience, courage, and extraordinary cultural richness. Over generations, its people have enriched the nation by contributing immensely to diverse areas, including sports, the armed forces, art and culture, and public service. Today, I am pleased to have inaugurated a number of important projects that will further improve the quality of life of the people of Manipur. These projects in diverse areas of tribal development, agriculture, infrastructure, electricity, drinking water, education, health, and sports reflect our commitment to building a more modern and inclusive Manipur. The projects for which foundation laying has been done today cover a wide range of areas like infrastructure, handloom and handicrafts, tourism, electricity, drinking water, security and administration, health and sports. These sports projects will generate employment, improve infrastructure, and accelerate economic activity. They reflect government's commitment to inclusive development and empowerment of the people of Manipur. Over the past several years, many initiatives taken by the Government of India for connectivity, health, infrastructure, education, and rural development have brought tangible improvements to people's lives. I am aware of the pain that the people of Manipur have gone through following the unfortunate violence. I want to assure you that taking care of the concerns of the people of Manipur is highest priority for us. My government stands with every affected family. The Union government remains fully committed to strengthening harmony, ensuring security, and supporting Manipur in its journey towards stability and prosperity. The government is also committed to promote equitable development across the state and will ensure that the fruits of development and progress reach each and every corner of the state. Manipur has shown remarkable improvement on several indicators of development. This has been made possible due to close cooperation between union and state governments, and more importantly by the hard work of the people of Manipur. Later today, I will be interacting with internally displaced persons here in Imphal. Manipur is the gateway to India's vibrant engagement with Southeast area. Its youth, culture, and natural beauty make it a state with unlimited potential. Manipur is also known for its self-empowerment and women empowerment. 2 days ago, I had the privilege of honoring 4 women from Manipur among winners from across the country in the National Handicrafts Award ceremony. The historic Nipulal of women's war were waged twice during the early decades of the 20th century by the brave women of Manipur. They succeeded in making the colonial and feudal powers to accept their fair demands. Tomorrow morning, I will have the good fortune of paying floral tributes to the great women at the Nupilal Memorial Complex. I salute those brave women warriors of Manipur. They inspire every Indian. The flame of national pride gets brighter, and Moirang, just a little distance away from here, where heroic soldiers of Azad Hind Fauj hoisted the Indian flag in 1944. In the honor of the brave hearts of Manipur, Mount Harit in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands has been named as Mount Manipur. We are assembled at the place throbbing with glorious chapters of our history. Ladies and gentlemen, nature has endowed Manipur with exceptional gifts. I have been told that Loktok Lake is the largest freshwater lake in the Northeast. It is the only floating national park not just in India but on the entire planet. The valley and the hills of Manipur has unrivaled natural beauty. The interesting game of polo originated in Manipur. I watched a polo exhibition match earlier today. I was impressed to see the women of Manipur excelling in this sport, demanding highest level of speed, strength, and skills. Manipur is known for its excellence in various sports and games. The people of Manipur are talented and hardworking. I am sure that the people from the valley and the hills will remain together with renewed harmony and take the state to great heights of prosperity and happiness. I urge the people of Manipur to continue supporting measures for harmony and development. Let us together strengthen Manipur as a state where every child feels safe, every woman feels empowered, every community feels included, and every citizen moves ahead towards a bright future. Thank you. Thankchuri. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.